Here are two easy ELLs. ELLs, or edges of last layer, is done when all of the corners are already solved and only the edges needs to be oriented. For both of these cases, two edges are misoriented and we have a solve block in the front. For recognition, one of these two has an opposite color on its left side, creating this checkerboard pattern, while the other one does not. For this one, face here, and we'll just do the standard OLL alg. Wide R, U, R prime, U prime, M, U, R, U prime, R prime. For the next case where we have the opposite color to the left side, we'll do M prime, U prime, M, U2, M prime, U prime, M. A little bit faster, both of these algs would look like